Hello and welcome guys. I will suggest dairy farm and shop name ideas or suggestion. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Keep watching. First name dairy dams and next Bountiful Barn and next Farm Fresh Dairy and next Cow on the Prairie and next Freshland Dairy and next Observe Organic and next All Star Milk and next Natural Farm and next Milk Botanica and next Dairynest and next Farmable and next Cow Fi and next Dairy Zoid and next Milk Genix and next Desire Dairy and next Dairy Decision and last Cow Canvas. So hey guys, this is all dairy farm and shop name ideas. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.